राजा रवि वर्मा की एडमायरर है नंदना, जो इस फिल्म यानी कि रंग रसिया को भी कर रही है। नंदना, सबसे पहले बताइए कैसा रहा अब तक का एक्सपीरियंस?
It was really wonderful. I'd always wanted to work with Ketan. I'm really drawn to his films because he has a wonderfully effortless way of telling the story of how powerful women can be in all of his films, whether it's Mirch Masala or Bhavni Bhavai or Maya Mem Saab. And I'd also, as you mentioned, always admired Raja Ravi Verma's work. I had a print of Damayanti in my Harvard room when I was in college, and I had paintings of his in my room in my flat in Bombay when Ketan actually walked in to discuss the role with me. So I had been looking at the face of the woman I was going to play.
You're looking so beautiful, especially this red sari with golden border and curly hair. It's looking like real Damayanti, as you mentioned.
Thank you. Well, it's inspired by Ravi Verma. This has been specially designed by Sabyasachi, who is not only my favorite designer in the whole world, but also a great friend. And he's always been deeply inspired by Ravi Verma, and he wanted to design a sari for the muse that's inspired by Ravi Verma. So I feel very blessed to have Sabya's touch.
Okay, so tell us about your look, like जो hair style आपने specially की है, and और भी सारी चीजें क्या-क्या workshop करने पड़े इस role के लिए?
For the role, that's a really good question actually, because the physicality that Sugandha has, my character, is very different from Nandana's physicality. वैसे भी I'm very clumsy. I'm always, running into walls and tripping over steps. Whereas Sugandha is the kind of classical, graceful Indian beauty, and it was a lot of work to get that grace and that kind of extreme Indian femininity in my body. So I wore Navwari saris around the house. I went to see Spider-Man in Cinemax wearing it.
Okay.
Everybody was sort of I got very strange, lots of strange looks. I walked to Siddhi Vinayak wearing Navwari sari. That was a beautiful experience as well.
How's working with Randeep?
It was great. He is such a talented and hard-working actor. I had known him for years, and it was really a joy to work with him. He too wore the lungi that Ravi Verma had to wear, for a long time to get used to it. He did a lot of work on his sketching and painting to be able to portray a painter with full confidence and conviction. And he's a really lovely person, so I had a wonderful time.
Okay, we have seen the trailer, and कुछ ऐसे भी scenes हैं, तो बहुत comfortable था shooting करने का जो experience था. It was comfortable, और what कि थोड़ा starting में आपको लगा कि नहीं थोड़े changes होने चाहिए, कुछ ऐसा हुआ?
No, when I shot it, I was very comfortable. But before I decided to do the film, I spent a lot of time thinking about whether or not I would be comfortable. Initially, I was not comfortable with the idea of it. So at that time, but I really wanted to play this character. I loved the character. I wanted to work with Ketan. I really wanted to be a part of telling Ravi Verma's story, which is an incredible story. And also, I believe very strongly in the themes of the film, the theme of freedom of expression, the fact that the film also shows how vulnerable Indian women are in society. I believed that.
It's great. And one more thing, paintings आपको करना कितना पसंद है? कभी स्कूल में, कॉलेज में, या ऐसे शौकिया तौर पे कभी आपने कुछ किया है?
Well, yes. When I was in school, I did do a lot of art, but I wasn't very good at it. I had a lot of imagination, so I kept getting sort of, children's prizes, and at some point it took me a while to realize that it was only because I have a very vivid imagination that people were appreciating what I was doing, not because I had great skill or talent.
What is the next? रंग रसिया हो गई, अब इसके बाद कुछ और plannings हैं Bollywood में?
Yeah, I divide my time in 3 continents now. So I live part of the time in mostly in New York, but I also spend a lot of time in London and in India. And I also divide my time between 3 vocations. So there's cinema, which still takes up a lot of my time. There's child rights. I work in child protection organizations. I've done that for many years. So I'm the ambassador of UNICEF for to stop gender-based violence. I work with this organization called Rahi, which works to stop child abuse. I work with Operation Smile, which works with children with cleft lip. So all of that keeps me very busy, and also my writing. So I've just finished a children's book, which is now being published. Wow. My next 2 films are films that I really love. One is Bengali and one is Hindi.
What about this Hindi one, Bengali, and थोड़ा सा brief में पता चलेगा कौन-कौन से?
I've become so superstitious after what happened with Rang Rasiya. Now I've decided once I'm going to start talking about it when it's at this point, when it's ready. You know.
Thank you so much and all the best.
Thank you.
तो ये थी नंदना जिन्होंने आपसे रिक्वेस्ट की कि ओपन माइंड के साथ इस फिल्म को देखने के लिए आइए। कैमरामैन अमोल के साथ चेतना सिंह, ज़ूम, मुंबई।